how to buy the bio protocol pre token. So make sure to take a look on Direct's account. They have a big community, as you can see. Now to be able to buy this token, the token is in pre-sale. So to be able to buy it, just as you can see, go to their official website, and as you can see, select between these three crypto. So for example, if you select USDT, now enter how much you want to buy. As you can see, now click on buy bio. Now, as you can see, if you click on it, you won't be able to see anything. Now just click on connect wallet from here. Now select one of these wallets. So for example, PayPath wallet. Now select click on connect. And as you can see, click on approve. Now as you can see, select here the USDT as you can see. Now enter how much you want to buy and click on buy now. Now as you can see, click on approve. And now as you can see, the insufficient balance to buy the gas fee. Now go to your Bitkit wallet and fill your Bitkit wallet with USDT. Now how to be able to do that? Just go to Bitkit wallet and now just go back and go to your wallet. Now from here, just make sure to select the base as you can see from here. Now after that, go and select the USDT from here. Now as you can see, if you don't find USDT, just search or switch the network to Ethereum, for example. Now if you find your USDT, just copy and now to token address and go and click on buy to be able to fill your Bitkit wallet with USDT. Now after that, as you can see from here, just select your currency, for example USD. Now if you select your currency, ensure how much you want to buy with USD to be able to receive USDT. Now for here, just paste the token address and click on buy. Now before that, select one of these providers, for example Transact, and click on buy. Now after a few seconds, they will like you to complete the buy process to be able to fill your Bitkit wallet with USDT. Now click on buy now, and now this is the wallet or the USDT wallet address. Now click on buy USDT and enter your email to be able to complete the buy process. After you fill your Bitkit wallet with USDT, you will be able now to click on buy now and complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the bio protocol token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.